I came to see Dr. Sprinkle because I was grinding and clenching my teeth a lot, and I was starting to have trouble breathing at night, and snoring, and dry mouth. I was coughing and choking a lot too beforehand, and so that has all stopped. I'm not coughing all the time on my saliva or when I eat. I'm sleeping better. I'm not grinding and clenching my teeth, and I'm just breathing better and feeling better. And also, immediately after having it done, I went to back my car out, and I hadn't been able to turn my head all the way to the left in a long time. And suddenly I realized I had just turned my head all the way around to look behind me to back out. And so that was really surprising. That was a good thing also. So there's been a lot of benefits that I've had since having it lasered.